We are providing only 20%, that is 6 to 8 articles, as a part of promotion. For remaining 80% current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 3. MOU on the conservation of migratory birds of prey in Africa and Eurasia. Why recently in news? Why did India decided to sign the MOU? What are the aims and objectives of Raptor MOU? How diverse are Indian raptors? Which are the endangered raptors of India? GS Paper 3, Conservation of Biodiversity. Why recently in news? The Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister Modi, has given its approval to sign Memoranda of Understanding (MOU) on the conservation of migratory birds of prey in Africa and Eurasia. Raptors, popularly known as birds of prey. It is also called the Raptor MOU with the Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species, CMS. With the signing of this MOU, India will become the 54th signatory to the MOU. Why did India decided to sign the MOU? The existing Wildlife Protection Act, 1972 is admitted for protection of birds. This is in close correspondence with Raptor MOU. India would gain domain knowledge which would be helpful in effectively managing the habitats of these raptors. By signing the MOU, India can concert transboundary efforts for conservation through interaction with other range countries. They play an important ecological role by keeping the balance, especially by controlling the population of rodents and other small mammals. What are the aims and objectives of Raptor MOU? Raptor's MOU aims to promote internationally coordinated actions to achieve and maintain the favorable conservation status of migratory birds of prey throughout their range in the African-Eurasian region. To halt and reverse the population declines of globally threatened, critically endangered, and vulnerable, and near-threatened birds of prey. To anticipate, reduce and avoid potential and new threats to all bird of prey species, especially to prevent the populations of any species undergoing long-term decline. How diverse are Indian raptors? India is home to 106 species of raptors, says a recent publication by the Zoological Survey of India. The publication reveals that more than 18% of the 572 species of raptors spread all over the world can be found in India alone. India's biogeographical regions support 69 species of kites, vultures, eagles, harriers, hawks, buzzards and falcons in different habitats. Of these, 59% are resident, 16% are migratory, 5% vagrant, and 19% both resident and migratory. In addition, India has 32 species of owls and, being nocturnal, are less studied. Which are endangered raptors of India? The Indian white-backed vulture, the long-billed vulture, the slender-billed vulture, the red-headed vulture and the forest owlet are in the critically endangered category. The Egyptian vulture and the saker are in the endangered list of the International Union for Conservation of Nature's IUCN Red List. 4. Navy successfully launches long-range air defense missile Barak-NG. GS Paper 3, Indigenization of Technology, Defense. Why recently in news? Indian Navy has achieved a significant milestone in enhancing its anti-air warfare capability, with the maiden firing of its newly developed long-range surface-to-air missile, LRSAM. The firing was undertaken on the western seaboard by INS Kolkata, wherein the missile successfully intercepted an aerial target at extended ranges. The long-range surface-to-air missile, LRSAM land version is called MRSAM, medium-range SAM, is a joint development project between India and Israel. What are the special features of Barak-NG missile system? The missile system is said to be a very advanced surface-to-air missile that can track and shoot down incoming missiles and other flying objects with very high level of accuracy. The LSAM can intercept aerial targets up to a range of 80 kilometers. The system includes a multifunctional surveillance and threat alert radar, MF-STAR, for detection, tracking and guidance of the missile. Israel-made MF-STAR radar system is capable of simultaneously tracking hundreds of airborne targets to a range of more than 250 km. Designed to defend against a variety of short to long-range airborne threats, including fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, drones and projectiles, Barak 8 incorporates phased array multi-mission radar, two-way data link, and a flexible command and control system, enabling users to simultaneously engage multiple targets day and night.